Amphenol RF offers compact and rugged connectors and cable assemblies to support the wired and wireless RF signal chains in autonomous mobile robots, robotic arms, and other smart factory applications. Amphenol RF's ultra-miniature cable assemblies offer a flexible solution for applications with space constraints. These assemblies feature the AMC or AMC4 connectors on one end and FACRA, SMA, or RPSMA interface on the other. Available on micro-coax cable types, these 50-ohm assemblies provide reliable RF performance up to 6 GHz. Automate Mini FACRA connectors are ideal for AMR vision systems, supporting data rates up to 20 gigabits per second and requires up to 80% less installation space than standard FACRA. Multiple colors and keying options ensure proper assembly, and the latch design provides a secure connection. Amphenol's ARC series of ruggedized connectors include N-type, SMA, and TNC connectors in various configurations. These are IP67 rated and designed to tolerate high vibration and extreme temperatures.